Good morning, my name's Andy Young and I'm one of the lecturers down at Unitec over in Auckland, and I teach transport technology. And this morning my plans have changed slightly. I was going to pop outside and refit the brake calipers to the Yamaha Viking, the 2013 vintage, and then bleed up the brakes and show you how to bleed those up. But first we have another job to do. So this very short video is going to cover how to do an emergency repair on a gear lever on a KTM Duke 390, because this should be part of the bike at the moment. Hey Luke. Right, moving on. Okay, so this little piece here is the bit that interacts with the rider's foot, and it should in fact be mounted in this location here. Unfortunately, due to some abstract riding techniques, it no longer is part of the motorcycle. So, as an emergency repair, we're going to drill through the existing part of the lever and fit a bolt. And that bolt will give the rider the ability now to make use of the gearbox on the motorcycle and change the gears, both up and down through the gearbox. Right, let's see what we can do. Right, so we've just fitted a pilot drill. It's about a 4mm drill bit to our drill. And we're going to just pop that on there and very slowly put a hole through that without drilling fingers, hopefully. There we go, look at that. It's not often you get to drill holes in motorcycles. Right, and then up to an 8mm. Actual fact, let's get some more grips for that. Okay. Fantastic. Okay, now the bolt we've chosen here is a high tensile M8, and we're going to use 2 nuts, so we can position a nut on either side of the destroyed gear lever. There we go. So we'll just tighten those bolts up and it should be back on the road. So we'll just tweak these up. If it was going to be a long-term repair, we'd be putting some thread lock on these as well, but this is only a temporary fix. So there you go, this is the finished repair. It didn't take too long, which now, essentially, that should be there like that, but of course, it isn't anymore. Right. Now you'll see here that the angle of the gear lever is slightly offset now. These should be parallel to the foot peg. Unfortunately, it isn't, and this being made of aluminium, I'm not tempted to try and straighten that, because if I do, then I will be as bad as Luke and I will break it even more. So there you go. It's going to get him to work, and that's all that matters. Now, just to recap, because I'm going to have to edit this and I'm not sure that I can include the first one, but we've just completed a very short repair on a gear lever on a KTM 390 Duke. This is, or was, up until about 15 minutes ago, part of that motorcycle. It isn't anymore, and really only Luke Swift from Puhoi could really tell you exactly how this departed from his motorcycle. Because all we heard was the revving of an engine, and then lots of profanities whilst he was picking it back up on the gravel. Well, sorry, not picking it up straight away. It took him a while to get it back up. But anyway, so if you want to fire your comments through, I will list Luke's Facebook on this video for you, so that you can contact him directly, and maybe if you ride a Duke 390, he'll be able to help you not do this to your motorcycle, because he was under the impression it was a manufacturer's defect, and I'm quite sure it's not, actually. Hey, Luke. Okay, my name's Andy Young. I am a transport technology lecturer at Unitec in Auckland, and I very much enjoyed making this video. Thank you, Luke.